The freeze dryer price in Turkey is varied in Turkey. There are many freeze dryer suppliers from Europe, China, and Turkey. The highest prices of frozen dryers in Turkey are from European suppliers. The price of a local Turkish manufacturer is the cheapest, but this factory is small and is also in its infancy. There are many freeze dryer suppliers in China, but few freeze dryer manufacturers. Most of the freeze dryer suppliers are trading companies and middlemen. There are not many freeze dryer manufacturers worldwide too. Since the freeze dryer is a very complex system, it is composed of a refrigeration system, a vacuum system, and a heating system. The refrigeration capacity required by the refrigeration system is much larger than that of cold storage and quick freezing storage, so its cost is relatively high for decades. The freeze dryer price has been relatively high. However, more than 10 years ago, there was a kind of home freeze dryer, which was not equipped with an independent water vapor condensation system, so its cost was significantly reduced. It is cheap home freeze dryer for large-scale batch freeze drying production. It is recommended to use a cost-effective industrial freeze dryer